Alright guys, what's up? Here in the shop at AOMC this morning, and I'm pumped to show you this. You guys, if you follow my stories, you've probably already seen a few videos of this. Most of you guys know I have a 2-year-old. He's about to turn 3 in May, and thanks to some good friends of mine, I was able to get a absolute mint PW50. Check this thing out. Check that out, guys. I think it's, I don't know what year model it is. I have to look up the VIN, but I think it's about 7 years old. But, I mean, it is pristine. Not a scratch. Just a beautiful bike. Still has the white wheels, which I think are super cool. I got the blue plastics with it as well, and the other tank. My buddy Aaron that I got this off of, he said he got this liter of oil when the bike was new. And I don't know if you can see that, but this only had like 300 milliliters ran through the oil injection system. So this thing is like brand new. There's the original blue seat. He also hooked me up with training wheels and some size 13 youth boots, so I'm pumped about that. And said his son rode it, and then his daughter rode it. She only rode it like one time before she grew out of it. Thing starts second or third kick every time. Idles perfectly. I cannot wait to give this to my boy, guy. We've been asking him if he wants a Momo, and of course he always says yes, but we ask him, what color Momo do you want? You know, do you want orange like daddy, green like mommy, or how about blue, you know, since I already have the blue plastics? And he always goes, probably red. Every time we ask him, he says he wants a red Momo, so, which that's cool. So we got gases, so you can do gas is the new red, so we'll do up some kind of graphics and incorporate the gas logo or something somehow. It'll be super cool. But check this thing out. Flip it to start. It's completely cold, guys. I had it started yesterday. Still warming up, but I mean, it starts and runs perfectly. I had it out there on the concrete, ripping it around yesterday. I feel strong. I like it. I know you can do a lot of things to these P-dubs, but I love the fact that none of that's been done. It's had the little restrictor removed from the exhaust, but you know, it hasn't had the oil injection system removed. It hasn't had any of the stealth Fast 50 stuff done, and that's the way I want it. You know, especially while he's learning on it. And you know, I don't care if he ever races moto. I just would like for him to. Yeah, I don't care if the kid ever races motocross. I just want him to enjoy riding, and he can go out and ride with me and his mom and his uncle and, you know, everybody else, and we can just chill out and ride bikes and have a good time. That would be more than fine with me. So we'll definitely never be taking it too seriously on 50s. We're just out to have a good time. I just want to see the smile on his face. So super excited about this. Probably hop on PW only and get. I think you can get some plastics for this, which is, you know, it's just the front and the rear, and I guess this little piece. I think it's only like $60 or something. So if he wants red, I'll get him red. We'll do up some graphics. I'll keep you guys posted along the way, and I'm really pumped to start being able to get some helmet cam footage from another new rider. So it's pretty exciting. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.